Welcome back to Kids Created. This is Sammy, and that's Irvin in the back. So guys, we didn't even have 5 minutes hiking, and these guys are tired. I wonder why. What time you guys went to sleep last night? Are you tired, Irvin? All right. So, look at this beautiful day. Look at that. Oh my God. That looks amazing. We're going to these waterfalls. Never been there before. So we'll see how they look. Look at that. Look at that on the back. It's amazing. All right. I'll see you soon. We made it. We get lost like 3-4 times.
There's not a map.
There's no maps. We hiked like for 2 miles uphill the wrong direction, and then we came back and we're finally here. Look at that. Can you hear it? Guess what? It's so fresh. Even though it's so what time is it? Like 9:30?
It's 9:30.
And the sun is like hitting us. It is so fresh. So I'm gonna hand the phone to Sammy so she can show you down there.
So we can get in. See how cold it is? It's cold. Let's go. Oh, careful. On that one? You wanna go? You wanna go under there? Yeah. Alright, walk to there. Let's go right there. Pass to that rock. So I can go on this one. Oh, Sparky, are you okay? Oh, you're in the water. Come here. Come here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Go.
This is Urbanator from Kids Created. What's up, man?
Hi.
You like the hike?
Yes.
It was painful, right? But you like the reward?
Yes.
Oh.
And we're still gonna get another one.
What is it?
We're gonna go to IHOP.
Well, maybe.
My butt is so cold in the water.
Girls, what do you guys think about the hike?
My butt is so cold in the water.
You love it? There's literally no people here. It's just us.
Nobody comes this far.
No. Okay, guys, we're going inside the tunnel. I couldn't find any trail, so I decided to go all in. Oh my goodness. And I'm carrying Sparky. And I have 4 kids in the back. Irvin, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, here, Sammy from Kids Created. She's gonna go inside the cold water. Go, Sammy, you can do it. Yes, Sammy, yes. Irvin, go all the way down here. Ándale.
Ready?
I know.
Are you okay?
Go, Irvin, go.
If your pee is not that cold anymore.
How is it? Now, I'll dare you to go. I'll dare you to go all the way to your waist. Okay, everybody, let's look at Tommy. Tommy, the squad. On 3, 2, 1, go. That's not a squat.
That's enough. That's because you're not eating.
On 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Tommy, you can go lower. You can go lower, Sam.
My stomach. I can't.
Okay, Sammy lose already.
Oh, my butt. She's so crazy cold.
Irvin, Belly, and Esther are still on the challenge.
I can't feel my butt.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we have 2 winners. It's a tie.
We have to do a tiebreaker.
No. Okay, guys, we made it. Woo! What? Are you guys tired? Oh man. So what do you guys want? What do you guys want to go eat? What do you feel like eating?
Pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yes.
We just burned the hot dog from last night. What about you? What about you, Belly? What do you want to eat?
Pancakes.
What about you, Esther?
I don't care as long as it's good.
You, Irvin?
I agree with her.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you an.
What about you, Sparky? Sparky, you're like, let's get out of here. You're like, I don't know. He's just gonna get out of here.
He's like pulling you.
I know.
Home.
You're
My
like,
paws are
I have
dying.
blisters on my paws. I really want to leave this place.
I really gotta go to the potty.
We hiked like for, man, quite a bit. What time is it like?
It's 7.
7:30 is like noon already. But man, it was a good hike. These guys are troopers, including Sparky. We hiked. Man, this hike was hard. It's really hard. Yeah, the entrance. Oh, you know what, Keith Creed? I want to show you what the sign says.
Oh, yes. It's like the dumbest sign I've ever seen.
No, it's just a warning sign.
It just says that you're gonna die. And guess what? We survived.
What? Oh, guess what? We're gonna put on the video a snake that we found and we kill it. Cause
We took his guts out.
Cause he was trying to bite me and then I just squeezed him with my bare hands. Look, this is the sign. That's one of them. And the other one says, oh, here. Then you hop around, then you're, where's the other one?
Rescue. That
Yeah.
would not be possible.
All right. So I'm just going to show you guys that this hike is not easy, it's dangerous. There's bobcats here, mountain lions.
Cougars.
Oh yeah, cougars, which is kind of the same thing.
Avid hikers have died here too.
Yeah, so, but we are
More
way
than
beyond
avid.
that. What? Okay, get created.
I mean that too.
Have fun, go out there, hike.
Hope you guys
And-
enjoyed this video. Like,
Yeah.
subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and see you guys next time.
See you guys next time. Bye-bye.